If you're seeing Epic Games error 500, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is usually a server, cache, or session issue, and in most cases you can get back into the Epic Games launcher or website pretty quickly without doing anything complicated. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump in. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh the page. If you're using Epic Games in a browser, press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button and see if the error clears. Sometimes a temporary loading issue is all it is. If you're using the Epic Games launcher, close it completely and restart it. Make sure it is fully closed from the system tray in the bottom right corner, not just minimized. Then reopen the launcher and check again. Next, you should check the Epic Games server status. If Epic's servers are down or having issues, no local fix on your end will solve it until their services are back online. Open the Epic Games status page and confirm whether there is an outage or ongoing maintenance. If the servers are fine, the next best step is to clear the launcher cache. To do that, first exit the launcher completely, then press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type %localappdate% and press enter. Inside that folder, open Epic Games Launcher, then open Saved and look for the web cache folder. Delete the web cache folder, then reopen Epic Games Launcher. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted cache files can cause error 500 and other loading problems. If you're getting the error on the website instead of the launcher, clear your browser cache and cookies as well. You can also try opening the page in incognito mode to rule out a browser issue. After that, log out of your Epic Games account and log back in. Click your profile icon, choose sign out, and then sign back in again. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication problems that trigger server errors. Another thing to check is whether you have a VPN turned on. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic's servers and cause communication errors, so temporarily disable your VPN and try again. If you still have the issue, run Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Right-click the launcher shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs and can fix launch or connection problems on Windows. After you try these steps, one of them should usually clear the Epic Games error 500 and get everything working again. If it did, let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. And if you want more simple troubleshooting videos like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.